to go. And we should just put this on there. Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new Cherry Pitter. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review. Let's go and actually check it out. I've never actually used one of these. Alright, there it is. It seems pretty straightforward, I would assume. Looks like maybe we'll throw them in there. So, look like I got a couple cherries in there. May not be the freshest one, but we'll go ahead and actually try it out. Alright, so it should be pretty simple. We'll put our cherries on there. You can do 7 at a time. Alright, and one more. So, looks like it's ready to go. And we should just put this on there. Yep, there you go. And we should just press firmly. Whoa! Check that out. Heck yeah. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I got a little stuck. But you can see, they're all ready to go. Super simple. Very cool. Like I said, not the freshest cherries, but at least good enough for the example so y'all can see it.
That's really cool.
Not too shabby?
Not too shabby.
Boom. Simple, right?
Mm-hmm. Super cool.
Alright guys, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new Cherry Pitter, definitely consider this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get yours.